Yo, what's going on? It is Thursday, October 23rd, 3:06 p.m. And today I took one trade where I made, I think it was like 1977, um, 100, whatever, $1,177. So let's take a look at this trade. So unfortunately, I did not take this on my funded account. This actually is a trade that I should be taking on my funded account, though. So that was my biggest mistake of the day. I want to start off the journal by saying that was my biggest mistake, and that is a mistake that I know that I have and I continuously make over and over again, but have to get rid of. So let's talk about today. Coming into the day, I did have a bullish bias. Um, we basically rebalanced this whole pump up yesterday, and then I figured we were going to start pumping up again. I did feel as though this 1 hour was 100% going to get tagged into, but I wasn't too sure about London High because at open, where was open? Which candle was open? Let's go. So London High was 110 points away, and I really felt as though that this 1 hour would have gotten tagged into, and then this would have been basing what my reaction would have been of. Had we gotten a short off of this 1 hour, I probably would have taken it if we left equal lows, most definitely, to these equal lows. This 5 minute also wasn't even a bad entry, but the equal lows were just so close. I would have taken the 1 hour to the low of day. But then we just start fucking flying up. We ended up taking London High. So here I'm like, damn, like, both draws got basic, like the draw basically got attacked. We pumped up so much that targeting previous day low is like, I need to see so much displacement, and it's pretty unrealistic. But here is when we also, I forgot that we had 10 a.m. news today, which was the first news of the entire week. We had existing home sales, so orange folder news, valuable news. And that news candle was left right here at 10 a.m. Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Worldwide as I step in the room. Getting a spam call, leave me alone. And then, so we had this, and we start pumping down into this 5 minute, which was a 30-second left behind. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but I was talking to my boy Eli, and on his chart, his 30-second tagged into this 5 minute. His 30-second 100% tagged into that 5 minute. And that honestly wouldn't have been a bad continuation trade to this data high. His chart had him tagging into this 5 minute, which was the reason why I didn't want to take that 5 minute immediately. And then we also had this 1 minute get taken, which I set a limit at. But because we took this high, I canceled the limit. We took this high before that. This displays, I think this was like 13 points above the close. So, yeah, 13.5 points. I know Will and a couple other people on stream took this trade. I didn't like it because of how much it had ran away from the entry point. So, yeah, that's why I did set a limit at this one, though. I really like this trade. We had this internal SMT right here with this candle. So, yeah, like that was like, that's a good trade. This is a good trade. Like, nonetheless, this is a solid trade. We had tagged into this 5 minute. We were expected to reject off of it and continue higher. Then that fails, and we continue to shit the bed down. And we end up tagging into this lower 15 right here. So this was the 15 minute, and we SMT with this low. Where is it at? We SMT with all of these lows right here. As you can see, ES is well under it, a good marginal amount. I don't know how ES points work. They're a little bit weird. So ES is really far under it. And then we have excellent displacement on this 2 minute. Bing, right here, this 2 minute. SMT at the low, 2 minute rejecting out of a 15, targeting data highs. I limit order, which is what saved me today. Because if we take a look right here, if you market order, you go break it, you get stopped out. Like, you get stopped out on this 100% if you market order. Also, market order was kind of shit R. 0.86. Yeah, no thank you. I body stopped, I limit ordered, and I entered on also my my fund the futures account. I put in 7 cons, which was like 440 something risk because 5 cons was 500 and something, and we try to keep 450 to 500 risk. What's it called? And ended up making 659 across those 3 accounts. This is the kind of stuff that I said I needed to start taking. These are eval plays. This is actually a funded trade 100%. And I need to realize that, and I need to take that on fucking funded. This is a 100% funded play. This is an A trade. This is an A-rated trade to me. I've been backtesting a lot more, and these are the exact trades that I've been taking. Things just like this. This is an A-rated trade to me. Internal SMT with the data high above. We're rejecting out of a 15-minute gap. Excellent displacement on a 1 to 3 minute fair value gap. That's what I've been backtesting, and that's what's been working excellent for me. And this is exactly that. This is beautiful. This is perfect. We even got an excellent, perfect tag back into seeing basically no drawdown and just immediately delivering. This was an A rated. Like, this is A minus A rated. Like, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. We did have the slight edge, which is where most people got stopped out because of the market order. And then we just sprinted back up and hit that data high. Now, this isn't a trade that I would have seen myself taking before, because what? 5 minute just got inverse to the downside. It wasn't 2R, it was bad risk to reward, it was this, it was that, it was that, it was this, right? Or I would have probably held it to a little bit higher. I would have probably held it to these AM highs, which I would have gotten break even on. So yeah, this is what I'm saying. I'm building discretion. I'm adding more to my model, making it my own model. These are the trades that I need to start taking. Like, these are the trades 100% of the time that I need to just enter on. And this is a funded trade. I don't think this is an eval play. I think 100% this is a funded play. Like, we also had a 1 minute down here that we could have taken, but we had displaced so much. Oh shit. That it's like, bro, where was the 1 minute? Up here. So yeah, you know what? It was a similar close. It was just a 2 minute at the end of the day, a lot cleaner. 2 minute looks a lot cleaner. And another trade that I want to talk about was this 2 minute right here. We had just seen this 1 minute fail, and I believe that this 2 minute had an internal SMT, I want to say. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. But I don't know what it was. It was like, I think it was the 1 minute. I was stuck on the 1 minute short. Yeah, I was looking at this 1 minute to the 15, and I was just so hung up on the 1 minute chart that it caused me to miss the 2 minute entry, which the 2 minute entry would have played out beautifully as well. So it would have been this. Just one. Bang. It would have been this. Oh, shit. Wait, no, it wouldn't have been that. But yeah, basically, I was looking for a 1 minute short, and we had the 2 minute play out beautifully, and it would I have even tagged? Nah, I wouldn't have even gotten filled. Yeah, 2 minute doesn't matter. But I was caught up on the 1 minute chart. I can't get caught lacking like that. But yeah, like I said, what did I say yesterday? I need to separate evaluation and funded plays. I need to learn to be more risk on. I need to learn to be willing to accept more risk and take trades such as this one, not sit here and be like, oh, the 5 minutes is in this, that. Just play off of general conditions and have discretion towards draws on liquidity that I know that are for certain to get hit. That's how I need to start trading. That's what I started backtesting. That's what's working for me. So that's what the fuck I need to start trading. Not sit here and being a bitch and waiting out and missing opportunities. So this is the trades that I said that I needed to, and I'm glad that it happened the day after. Was patient enough to wait on this and ended up getting it, delivered well, and this is an A-rated trade to me. This is exactly what I want to start looking for more often. So yeah, I need to continue to act upon that. Now, what I really need to do is I also need to learn to just take it on my funded, dude. I haven't traded on my funded in a while, and that was because price was just shit. I didn't like delivery. I didn't like anything, but I was too closed-minded and wasn't expanded enough, because I feel as though last month I was saying like last month's price was shit. Why the fuck did I backtest and it was fucking gorgeous? Like, I went like 16-1. Granted, there was a lot of break evens, but I was like up almost, I was up like 14-15%. And that's just changing my model a little bit, tweaking it a little bit, using a lot more discretion and using what the chart is giving me. So it's that fucking simple, and I know how to do it. So now I need to apply it live. I can do it in practice, but now I need to execute it live. And that's why I said that I need to learn to separate those eval plays from funded plays. And that's the next step of this journey. So yeah, today was a great day of it. Don't want to say actually, today was a good day of it. Today was an okay day of it. If I had taken this on funded, I would have been more happy. I would have been more proud. But also, it's a lot going on trying to trade off of like one screen. Very complicated, you know. But I can't use that shit as an excuse, because I know what I have to do and I know how to execute. So yeah, that's all that I have for today. A-rated trade. Thankfully, it played out. Not thankfully. A-rated trade. I acted upon it because I knew it would play out. And yeah, this is what I need to start doing. These are the trades 100% of the time that I need to take. These are the trades I need to come in looking for. These are the trades that I feel more comfortable taking now. I'm not going to lie. Like, I like trading internal liquidity. I really like using like MEC X continuation kind of thing. This is more continuation, I want to say. This definitely is more of a continuation model because we were delivering from the 15 minute. But even if we just had that SMT and had ES tag into a lower gap, I take this trade. This is good. Like, this is what I need to continue to improve on. So yeah, that's about all I got for today. I didn't realize I yapped for that much. I still need to go to the gym. I fucking forgot everything at home. So I had to come back home and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna do the journal. But yeah, catch you tomorrow. Peace, love, positivity, all that good stuff. Let's hope for another banger tomorrow. Tomorrow's CPI, so I need to figure out what accounts I'm gonna buy to fucking fully send that motherfucker. Because you need to gamble sometimes in your life. Just hit the casino, gamble. Hit the charts, gamble. But only like on occasion, not often. But yeah. Don't listen to me. I'm bullshitting at the end. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this in like future time, remember, just keep working. You do anything you put your mind to. If you're watching this in the current time, remember, just keep working. You can genuinely do anything that you fucking put your mind to. I don't give a fuck what nobody tells you. Have positive delusion. Delusion's your best friend. Be so fucking delusional about it. So, yeah. Hasta la vista. Catch you mañana.